All right, today I'm going to show you how to make kale juice. Right here I have dinosaur kale. This is what they call dinosaur kale. And I'm going to be actually making the juice from this using this juicer that I have right here. What I have right here is the Angel juicer. It's called the Rolls Royce of juicers, and it's supposed to extract as much juice as it possibly can from out of the kale, dinosaur kale that I have right here. So let's go ahead and get started. But before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm going to go ahead and press start. And I'm going to go ahead and start feeding the kale through the juicer. Now, this Angel juicer actually grabs a hold of the kale pretty well, so I don't have to use the plunger too much, I don't think. And I'm leaving the splash guard off right here because I want you to see how much juice is actually coming out of this kale. Now, if it splashes too much, I'll put the splash guard, which I have right here, on top of that to keep it from splashing all over the table. So I'm just going to keep on feeding the juicer right here. Going to go ahead and take the cap off so you can see it. Doesn't look like it's splashing too much. And I'm just going to go ahead and feed the juicer. And it just pulls the dinosaur kale right on in. All right, and I'm using organic dinosaur kale as opposed to inorganic dinosaur kale. And I'm going to show you how much this Angel juicer actually extracts from the kale, because I'm going to show you the dry kale in a second. Let me go ahead and stop this. And I'm going to pull this off right here so you can see that. Now look at this. Looks like grass from after you've cut the grass. It's very dry. Look at that. And this is the kale that was extracted from it. All right, I'm just going to pour it in my glass so you can see it. This is 100% organic kale juice. Right there. Organic kale juice. And that's how you juice kale using a juicer, an Angel juicer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.